Good day everyone, I am Marvin Balano, the first Group 1 reporter. The assigned topic that I will explain is who issues bonds. So before we get into that, what exactly is a bond? Bonds, in layman's word, is utang or debts in English. So bonds is a fixed income instrument that represents an investor's loan to a borrower, typically corporate or governmental. A bond can be thought of as an I.O.U. between a lender and a borrower that includes the loan's terms and payments. Bonds are used by companies, municipalities, states, and sovereign governments to finance projects and operations. Owners of bonds are debtholders or creditors of the issuer. Bond details include the end date when the principal of the loan is due to be paid to the bond owner and usually includes the terms for variable or fixed interest payment made by the borrower. Sa bond, sa capital na pinahiram mo or yung perang pinahiram mo, na ang tawag is par value or the face value. At sa bonds, there are also interest. Ito yung additional na pera na babalik sa iyo in exchange sa perang pinahiram mo. Same sa utang. Bonds ay may maturity date din na tinatawag, kung saan dapat bayaran or masettle yung utang sa length of time or time frame na pinagkasunduan or pinag-usapan. Ang mga nag-o-offer ng bonds ay yung mga private corporation, banks, and the governments. Like yung mga company or private corporation or mga bangko is pwede silang mag-invest sa pamamagitan ng pagbebenta ng shares or stocks sa public. But why they offer bonds? Because kung puro stocks na lang yung ibebenta nila or i-offer nila sa market, is makakadilute or lessen sa value ng stocks nila. So, what they do is offer bonds instead. Sa government naman, dahil it's a non-profit institution, they can't offer stocks. So, ang ino-offer nila is bonds. Sa bonds, pwede ka magka-interest ng 2%, 4%, or 6% pataas or paid out annually or quarterly regularly. Kaya that's why ang bonds ay tinatawag din nilang fixed income securities. So, let us get back to our main topic. Who issues bonds? So, who is the issuer of bond? The bond issuer is the borrower, while the bondholder or purchaser is the lender. At the maturity of the bond issuers repay the bondholder the principal value. Ito yung nanghiram yung company ng pera para makapag-raise ng fund sa mga investor and may kapalit na interest payment kada period. Pag yung bond ay nag-mature na, babayaran na ng company ang iniram nila. Bonds issuer are these public authorities. It can be governments and corporations. Yung mga borrowers, they issue bonds para mag-raise ng money from other like investors. So the issuer of bonds is governments at all levels and corporations. Commonly use bonds in order to borrow money. Governments need to fund roads, schools, dams, or other infrastructure. The sudden expense of war may also demand the need to raise funds. For example, yung mga ginagawang kalsada, hawak ng municipalities or government yan. At para makapagpundar ng pera, mangungutang yan or doon nanggagaling yung mga pera sa tax ng bawat tao or naglo-loan sila to finance and makapag-start sa paggawa ng kalsada. Similarly, corporation will often borrow to grow their businesses, to buy property and equipment to undertake profitable projects for research and development or to hire employees. Corporation is the issuer of bonds. They borrow money for their business to buy property and equipment to undertake their profitable projects. The problem that large organizations run into is that they typically need far more money than the average bank can provide. Bonds provide a solution by allowing many individual investors to assume the role of the lender. Indeed, public debt markets let thousands of investors each lend a portion of the capital needed. Moreover, markets allow lenders to sell their bonds to other investors or buy bonds from other individuals long after the original issuing organization raised capital. Ito yung nanghihiram yung company ng pera para makapag-raise ng fund sa mga investors and may kapalit na interest payment kada period. Pag yung bond ay nag-mature na, babayaran ng company ang hiniram nila. So in short, the issuer of bonds is governments and corporation. I hope you learned something. Thank you for listening. Bye.